This might look difficult, but trust me, it is very easy to solve. When we have something like this, 3 is on the left hand side, 3 is also on the right hand side. That means they have the same base. So when they have the same base, all you have to do is to equate the powers. You equate the powers. Now, let's equate the powers. When we equate the powers, it's just like saying 3, we cancel 3, and then we'll be left with what we have as the powers. So now the left hand side has 9x, and it will be equal to 7x plus 8. Then we collect the like terms so that when 7x comes here, it becomes negative. So we have 9x minus 7x will be equal to 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. So this will give 2x to be equal to 8. Now we can divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. We divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2. So we are left with x here, and then 8 divided by 2 will give 4. And that is the answer. Can you see that it is very simple and easy to solve?